Hi guys, welcome to the fourth lecture of Module 16 of Revit Architecture. In this lecture, we'll be seeing how to add keynotes and key legends to the Revit file. So to add keynotes from scratch, we need to first open Notepad. So first we need to name all the properties which we have. First, I'll create this. So let's start with that 100. Next we have, let's have some basic things. We'll add window. A door. Let's add one more thing. Let's add this window. So let's do this. This is enough for now. And then click save as. And then save this as demo. I'll save this on desktop as txt file. And then click save. Okay, now I need to go on annotate here. And then go on Keynote. And first go on Keynote settings. And then I need to click on browse and first load this Keynote here. Click on it. And now I need to go on Keynote material here. Okay, so let's start. Got that. Window. this node. Yeah. So now you can see we have these keynotes added. So, but we do when someone else sees this, he can't identify anything here, like what's 100, what's 101. So we need to add legends here. So to add legends, we need to go on view and then legends option, and then we get keynote legends. Then click on OK. OK again. So you can see this legends have been added here. You can find this legends here also. Yeah. So we can add the legends here. We can't add the legends in the view here. We can add that in the sheets here, which is available. You can add this here, so that now it's visible.